Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download your Google account data. So once you're inside Google, guys, you want to go ahead and click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click manage your data. Now from here click on data and privacy on the left hand side, then scroll all the way down, guys, to where you'll find a section that says download or delete your data. Now there are two options. You can delete your Google services if you want to, but to download your data, simply click download your data, right? And here it will show you those different data that you can select or deselect, and then you'll be able to download. So let's say I want to select all of these. There are just a bunch of them that is currently selected, and quite, trust me, there's quite a lot. So go ahead and click, for example, the ones that you want. You can go ahead and you can select the ones that you want or deselect the ones that you don't want, and you'll be able to, once you go ahead and select the ones that you want, you can just simply scroll all the way down to the bottom, or use your cursor to drag all the way to the bottom. Go ahead and click on next, and you will see that it says that, okay, how you want to delete it. If you want to send the link, as you can say, it will say send the link to the email, or you can have it to Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, and Dropbox as an example, right? Choose whichever option you want there. Then you have the option how you can, if you want to export it every 2 months for a year, or just export, you get the idea that you want. Just go ahead and choose the type as well, the file size. You have the option there to do it as well, so you go ahead and make those different selections as you desired. Click on create the export. That's going to send a link to your email in my case, right? Or basically you'll be able to download wherever you choose, and you will be able to download your data this way. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.